Hello, my name is Simona, I'm crochet designer, and today I will show you how to make the same placemats with 4mm macrame cord. To make these placemats you will need 4mm braided macrame cord. Link to the cord is below in the description, and 5.5mm hook. To make two placemats you will need 250 meters of this cord. The diameter of the placemat is 35 centimeters. I'm sure that you will manage to make it and you will have fun while crocheting them. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. In my studio named MonoMey, you can find many cord colors available. So these are the solid colors and these are the colors that have lyrics in it, so your placemats can be shining also. Visit my page and see all the colors available. Today I will be using mustard color braided cord. Round 11. In this round we will repeat combination 9 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We'll have to repeat this 6 times. Let's start together. 9 single crochet. As always, crocheting only in the back loop. So 1 in the loop that is behind, I wanted to see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. So this is our combination: 9 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We have to repeat this 6 times in total. So now stop the video, finish till the very end, and I will meet you right here at the end of round 11. Round 11 is finished. The placemat is getting bigger and bigger. I will replace the marker, and at the end of this round you should have 66 stitches. The project is coming up nicely. As I said, every time you can end the placemat, just make slip stitches in the same loop that you are crocheting for the last round, so that the stitches would get closer. Round 12. We will start by making 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. So this is the beginning. Now we'll start our combination. Our combination is 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 10 single crochet. We'll have to repeat this 5 times. Let's make it together. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one, and then 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now stop the video and repeat this combination: 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 10 single crochet, 4 more times, and I will meet you right here at almost at the very end of round 12. I'm almost at the very end of round 12. I repeated combination 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 10 single crochet 5 times. Now this is the almost the very end of round 12, and we will do this: 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 and 2, and now we will have to make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this is the end of round 12. We'll make the marker, and at the end of this round you should have 72 stitches. Round 13. We will repeat combination 11 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 11 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We'll have to repeat this 6 times. So let's do it together. 11 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. The first one and the second one also in the same stitch. So this is time 1. Repeat this combination 5 more times and you should finish at the very end of this round. Stop the video and I will meet you at the very end of this round. Almost the very end of this round. I just have to make the last 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. And this is the end of round 13. At the end of this round you should have 78 stitches. Round 14. We'll start by making 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 single crochet for the beginning. Now we'll start our combination. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 12 single crochet. We'll have to repeat this 5 times. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Now 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So this is our combination. Repeat this combination. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 12 single crochet, 4 more times. Now stop the video. I will also do this combination 4 more times and I will meet you almost at the very end of round 14. I repeated combination 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 12 single crochet 5 times. This is the very end of round 14. To finish the round, we'll make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 and 2, and now 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is the end of round 14. At the end of this round you should have 84 stitches. And this is how the end of the round looks like. Round 15. In this round we will repeat combination 11 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and we will have to repeat this 7 times in total. So let's do it together. 11 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 single crochet. Now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1 and 2. So this is the combination we have to repeat. We made it 1 time, 6 more times to go. So now stop the video, finish the round all the way till the end. I will also do the same, and I will meet you at the very end of this round. And I am making this combination for the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. The first one, the second one also in the same stitch. And this is the end of our round 15. At the end of this round you should have 91 stitch. I will put the marker right here. And this is how the placemat looks like. As I told you, you can end creating the placemat at any time. Just for the last round, make slip stitches in each of the stitch. Find below in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video tutorial interesting and informative. If you want to see more video tutorials, you can visit my main YouTube channel. I have video tutorials how to crochet totes, bags, rugs, placemats, baskets, and more. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. All the information about the pattern, the cord used, you can find below in the video description. So thank you for watching.